Hi everyone, welcome back to another BioBrain video tutorial. In this video, we'll be learning about circulation. Just to start with a quick recap on some of the important parts of heart circulation. Remember, we have three types of blood vessels: arteries, veins, and capillaries. Arteries carry blood away from the heart, and they're thick-walled and very muscular. This is important because they carry blood at high pressure from the heart. Veins carry blood back towards the heart, and they are thin-walled and have valves inside to prevent backflow of blood when it's travelling back to the heart. One easy way to remember the difference between arteries and veins is to think A for arteries means away from the heart. And finally, capillaries. These are the smallest blood vessels, and their walls are made up of a single layer of cells to help with their role in nutrient and material exchange. Now, let's take a look at circulation. Circulation, in terms of the cardiovascular system, describes the movement of blood pumped by the heart through arteries, capillaries, and veins for nutrient and oxygen exchange, as well as removing carbon dioxide, a waste product in humans, from the body. In order to understand the way that blood is circulated around the body, we need to first take a look at the heart. The heart is a muscular pump that takes in blood and pushes it out at high pressure. The heart can be seen as two pumps together in one organ. When the heart pumps blood out, it pumps blood in two different directions, as you can see demonstrated on the diagram by the green arrows. The left side of the heart pumps blood from the lungs to the body. The right side of the heart pumps blood from the body to the lungs. So remember, left side of the heart pumps blood from the lungs to the body, and right side of the heart pumps blood from the body to the lungs. These two systems work together and are referred to as systemic and pulmonary circulation. Now let's break that down step by step. So we know now that the left side of the heart pumps blood from the lungs to the body. This is also referred to as systemic circulation. Think about it like this. Systemic is like the body system that is working all the time. So when we see the term systemic or systemic circulation, we know it's referring to the body. In the systemic circulation, the blood being pumped from the left side of the heart has oxygen, so it's called oxygenated blood, shown in red on the diagram. The systemic circulation begins where oxygenated blood is pumped from the left side of the heart out through the aorta to arteries to be circulated around the body to various organs, muscles, and other locations to deliver oxygen and nutrients via the capillaries. Next, the blood is pumped back to the heart. This blood is low in oxygen and is called deoxygenated blood, which is shown in blue on the diagram. The systemic circulation is responsible for pumping blood back from the body to the lungs. Deoxygenated blood travels via veins back to the heart via the vena cava. The right side of the heart is working at the same time, and this is called pulmonary circulation. The reason it's called pulmonary circulation is because the Latin term for lungs is pulmonaris. So remember, pulmonary circuit means lung circuit. The deoxygenated blood returning from the body is pumped away from the heart to the lungs, where it undergoes gas exchange. The lungs remove carbon dioxide and take in oxygen. The blood that leaves the lungs is oxygenated and returns to the heart to start the cycle again, linking back to the systemic circulation. In summary, the left side of the heart, also referred to as systemic circulation, remember, systemic means body, is responsible for transporting oxygenated blood to the body to deliver nutrients and oxygen. The right side of the heart, also referred to as pulmonary circulation, remember, pulmonaris is lungs in Latin, pumps deoxygenated blood to the lungs for removal of carbon dioxide and uptake of oxygen. It then returns this oxygenated blood back to the heart. Now, remember, the left and the right heart work together to complete circulation. The two systems are always working together in one single organ of the heart.